What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have a cell phone holder that actually mounts into the vent clips. Comes with all these different attachments that you can mount. It's kind of nice. This goes sideways, so if you have vertical vents, it'll work that way, or horizontal vents. And different sizes, smaller vents or bigger vents. Also on the front, so you can take your cell phone. It's adjustable if you have a bigger cell phone or a smaller cell phone. Oh look, Spencer Boyd's bit of video. And what's nice about this, once you've set it, you can just slide the cell phone in. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.